Welcome. This is the LEGO 4-speed transmission version 2. My version 1 of the LEGO 4-speed transmission was very bulky and was too fragile for big motors. So today I will be showing the improvements that I have done to create this amazing machine. This transmission uses a small motor for demonstration and a flat 4 engine too. So what does a transmission do? A transmission converts the engine's output and then multiply or divide it. That's your choice if you're using a manual or an automatic gearbox. This is a manual gearbox. It can shift from first to the fourth, which changes the speed at which the engine is running. In real life, the engine moves the gearbox, then the gearbox multiplies and it sends to the rear wheels or front wheels. If you want the instructions for this transmission, please comment down below. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.